we've got so many children also out there. Well, vulnerable in the sense that some of them are living in very abusive forms. Some of them have been abused by people who are very close to them at the home. And because we do not have facilities to take good care of them, they'll go to the police. And then they are forced to go back to the same homes. I would like us to have that kind of partnership, that if we get such a children, we can find a way of accommodating them here. Then we see how we can partner in terms of just providing a secure environment for them.
There are still far too many children and young people in our community and beyond who lack the love, support, and opportunity that every child, youth, and family deserves. They are bright. I tell you, Kenyan people are bright. They are filled with potential. And they need sometimes a helping hand to unlock the futures that they dream of. It's not our dreams, it's your dreams. We're just here to support.
Ile challenge tuko nayo ni ku-meet costs. Kwa sababu mtoto tukimchukua tunampeleka through primary education, secondary education, university or college. Na wakiwa hapa tunawa-provide kila kitu. So because of high cost of living, also pia sisi imetu affect.
Serikali iwe na sheria za kuwa shield kutoka kwa heavy taxation. Mahali wananunua vitu wakitumia kwa hii home, zile taxes siondolewe. Ya? Kwa sababu hii fedha ambazo wanatumia zinatoka kwa well wishers.